Welcome back to TechWise, helping you build your tech confidence one step at a time. In this video, I'll show you how to copy, paste, and save text or website links on your phone. I'll be using an Apple iPhone for the demo, but if you're on Android, don't worry, the steps are very similar. What is copy and paste? Think of copy and paste like using scissors and glue. You copy something, like text or a link, and then paste it somewhere else, like a message or a note. To copy text on your phone, tap and hold your finger on the text. You'll see little handles to adjust what's selected. Then tap copy on the menu that pops up. Now it's saved, temporarily, on your phone's clipboard. The clipboard is your phone's short-term memory. It holds what you just copied until you paste it somewhere or copy something else. Now to paste the text, tap and hold your finger where you want it to go, like in a note or a message. Then tap paste, and there it is. Want to share a link to a website? It is easy with copy and paste. Tap and hold the web address in your browser. Tap copy. Then you can go to an application like your text messages, tap and hold, and then choose paste. Easy. Sometimes when you copy information, you want to save that information for later. To keep that information safe, like a phone number, a quote, or a website, you can paste it into your phone's Notes app. Another option is to email it to yourself so it's backed up and easy to find later. It's the same process that we used before to copy and paste. I can open up my Notes app, tap and hold in the blank part on the screen, and choose Paste. Super easy. You just learned how to copy, paste, and save on your mobile device. A tiny trick with big benefits. Join me next time as we explore another simple skill that helps you do more with your phone. Thank you for watching, and as always, I hope now you are more tech-wise.